how to make your kitty cat smell good and fresh. Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about a topic that's super important but often stigmatized. Vaginal hygiene and odor management. Let's face it, we've all been there feeling self-conscious about our lady bits and wondering if we're doing enough to keep them fresh and clean. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of vaginal hygiene, discussing common causes of vaginal odor, and sharing some tips and tricks for managing it. So let's get started. Understanding vaginal odor. Before we dive into the tips and tricks, it's essential to understand what's normal and what's not when it comes to vaginal odor. A healthy vagina has a natural scent, but it's not overpowering or unpleasant. If you're noticing a strong or fishy smell, it could be a sign of an underlying issue. We'll be discussing some common causes of vaginal odor, including bacterial vaginosis, yeast infections, and poor hygiene. Tips for managing vaginal odor. Practice good hygiene. Wash your vulva with mild soap and water, and avoid using harsh or scented products that can disrupt your natural pH balance. Wear breathable clothing *. Tight clothing can trap moisture and create an environment where bacteria can thrive. Opt for breathable fabrics like cotton or mesh. Stay hydrated *. Drinking plenty of water can help to flush out toxins and keep your vagina healthy. Avoid scented products *. Scented products, such as douches, sprays, and powders, can irritate your vagina and cause odor. Consider probiotics *. Probiotics can help to maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in your vagina and reduce odor. Additional tips. In addition to these tips, there are a few other things you can do to keep your kitty fresh. Wipe correctly *. When you use the bathroom, wipe from front to back to prevent bacteria from entering your vagina. Change your underwear regularly. Fresh underwear can make a big difference in how you feel and smell. Avoid tight-fitting clothing *. Tight clothing can cause friction and irritation, which can lead to odor. Thanks for watching, girls. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, vaginal hygiene and odor management are important parts of taking care of your overall health. By following these tips and being mindful of your body, you can keep your kitty fresh and healthy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos on women's health and wellness.